So, your car is moderately dirty, has some dust on it, some light dirt, and might have been prone to a bird bomb or two. Your car needs a clean, but you don't have the time to bring out the big guns and to get out your detailing equipment to do a 2-bucket hand wash. Automated car washes are a quick alternative to a hand wash, but if you love to protect your paint against unsightly swirls, you need to avoid them. A touchless car wash at your local coin wash can be a good and fast alternative for incremental car washes. I'll show you how I do it. You will need a foam sprayer, snow foam or car wash soap, bug remover and wheel cleaner. Drive to your local car wash and find an available wash box. Oh, and try to avoid running into a Mercedes while you do it. Start with the wheels. Spray all 4 wheels and tires with wheel cleaner and leave to dwell for a couple of minutes. Then thoroughly rinse the wheels and tires clean. Also focus on the wheel wells. A lot of crud can build up in there over time. Next, take your bug remover and apply liberally on the front of the vehicle. Don't forget the windshield and side mirrors. While the bug remover is still on the car, prep your foam sprayer and apply it to the car. Let it dwell for a couple of minutes before rinsing off. Take your time rinsing the car, as this is the only cleaning we will do. Make sure you start at the top of the vehicle and work your way down, hitting every inch of the paint. After this, the car should be fairly clean. If you treat your car well and wax and protect the paint on regular basis, you should be able to drive the car dry while it's driving back home. The water will fling right off. As you can see, the layer of dust is removed and the bird poo has been removed as well. But remember, this method is no alternative to a thorough 2-bucket hand wash, but can be helpful for those incremental cleans or if you simply don't have the time to spend hours washing your car. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this in the future, and I will see you in the next one.